If you'd like to learn Photoshop, try creating composites. Composites are a fantastic way to learn this difficult program. You can do things like lay in great skies. You can't always be there at sunset. Or how about if you're at a flight museum, you see a great airplane down there, down below you, but you'd love to see it in the sky, as it should be, including the prop spinning. Or maybe you go downtown and you take some pictures of downtown, the cityscape, but you wish the city lights would be on. That can happen also. Maybe you're up in New England and you're looking at an old sawmill and you wish maybe there'd be a reflection in front of it. Wouldn't that be beautiful? Or maybe you're in Sydney, Australia. You're looking at the Opera House and wish maybe there was a city reflection in the water ahead of you. You could make that happen. Or maybe you're in Yellowstone and you're looking at a beautiful scene. If only there were some animals there, and that can happen. And then sadly, of course, you could be at home all by yourself, wishing you had friends over. Of course, it doesn't have to be serious like the rest of the composites here. You could just do it for fun. Such as this one, for example, of Dallas, Texas, with the quaint Lake Dallas in front of it, a little fishing village. We're going to work on some composites in the class. We use this as a starting point. Challenge yourself. Give it a try. We'll end up with this composite. It's not as simple as it looks. Through doing this, we'll learn a lot of things. Go ahead, consider joining us. Join us on November 3rd, 10:30